Hi friends. Hello my naughty villagers. Are you ready to go for a summer barbecue slash getaway slash, well, whatever. We're, you know, this is the Sizzlin summer collab. I'm sure I just said that completely wrong, but I can't think straight. It's been a minute since I did the last collab, and so my brain is not functioning properly, but this much I will remember to say not all their names correctly, so I did have to write that down just so that I don't, I mean, this is a long list. Girls, we are showing the love, collabing all together, and that is all because of our host Trisha over at Trisha's house. And then also in this collab is the Loving Klutzes and Kathy Ann 101, Faith 1981, Just Me Sandra, Hall Pass 1975, Libby C17, and Better Buys with Liz. Anyways, are you guys ready? Let's see what all I got. We might as well. Okay, let's first start with just, I've already shown you guys this dress, I think. To be honest, I really can't remember, but I know for sure you have not seen this hat, which, well, I guess you possibly could have seen it in the background of my try-on haul that I did. Oops, that's why I was acting weird at the end of one of my videos, is because this was completely hanging out and showing, and I was like, oh, my bad, I'm not supposed to. I freaked out for a second. I thought I wasn't recording. That was a dorky laugh. Yeah. Oh, hi, if you're new here. I'm a little weird. I do weird things, and I am sometimes super awkward. Welcome. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Yeah, so this hat, Walmart, $10. So in this collab, we were able to choose as many items as we wanted, from wherever we wanted. So this, Walmart, $10. And let's see, what else could I possibly be forgetting that I needed to say? I don't know. So I'll just keep going. Maybe it'll come to me. Okay. This is from Five Below. It is a, I believe I already ripped, let me see. Oh, please. Oh, Alicia, you are not very professional. These are a little wonky. Some of my items have been left outside because I had nowhere to put them in my house. And so if you see bird boo-boo on one of the windmill thingies, don't worry about it. Okay, $5. And the size of it is 3 feet by 6 feet. So for $5, you know, it's a wee little thing, but it adds some color, and you know, it does the job. I dropped my water. This is from the Dollar Tree. $1.25. Hydrate. Come on, everybody. Hydrate. delicious. My sister used to say that all the time. So, okay, let's fix the rug because my feet were on it. How are you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. What are you eating for dinner? I know this is the collab video, but I just had to say it. It's just something I always say in every video if you are new here. Well, I'm just curious. And besides, maybe one day someone's going to say a recipe, or not necessarily a recipe, say the name of a meal that they eat, and we're like, what? I've never heard that before. What's in it? Therefore we Google, and maybe it gives you an idea for a dinner. And I always need ideas because, well, I don't really like making dinner. I've been doing it for many, many years, and, well, I'm over it. Okay. These are also from Five Below. Look how big they are. It has the, you know, the type of bottom where you can just stake it into the ground. And look how cute. These ones were $4 a piece. There's the purple one. Oh. Well, we all know what they do, but aren't these gorgeous colors? I love them. Super pretty. Hi, Waffles. Waffles is one of my, well, he's not really feral now. He was, though. But, yeah, he's my little orange kitty. Okay. So I guess since we're on the theme of Five Below, or not really theme, but that's the store I'm on, I also got these cushions for your chairs. Double, I mean, you know, different patterns on each side, and they're, I mean, look how thick that is. Super cushiony, super cute, and very much summer vibing. Should I take off my glasses? I mean, you guys can see me, but I feel like I can't see you, so we'll just stick them over here. Okay, these were $5 a piece. The other one is underneath my tushy at the moment, keeping it nice and padded. What to do next? Okay, we're staying with Five Below, correct? Correct. How cute is that? It says it's a ceramic planter. Now, of course, you don't have to use it as a planter if you don't want to. You could use it as a pencil holder, or heck, if you just had like some shorter utensils in the kitchen. If your kitchen was done at Rochelle, maybe that's an idea for you. Because is your kitchen strawberries or cherries? I honestly cannot remember which one it is, but super cute. I know, stop saying that. Okay, as we are going along, I will try and think of words that I haven't said a million times already. And this was $5. So, adorable. I did it. this candle. It is a Fruit Punch Pool Party. It was $5. And let me just tell you that this smells delicious. It definitely smells like fruit punch. Now I'm very curious to see what it's gonna smell like when I use it. Now I don't burn my candles. I have like candle warmers that I burn mine, melt mine with. But yeah, if you like a fruity type of smell, you would like this. But I mean, just look at the, how cute is that? Okay, so moving on, these nails. Oh gosh, I'm not gonna remember what they're called. No! I might have to push pause and go grab the package, you guys. I'll be back. Hold on. Don't go anywhere. Okay. I got these at Walmart. Oh, hello. Pardon that. They are, well, oh, it's called Celestial Pink. I guess this is probably just the name of the color. But I just even love the packaging. How cute is that? These were about $10. Do I remember exactly? No, I don't. Sorry. But there's a better look. And if you're new here and you don't know, well, I mean, not that it matters, but my favorite color is bright pink. If you couldn't tell, I mean, you know, all the things. Can you guys see me? I mean, you can see me, yeah, but 12 minutes and 20. Well, I don't have to rush. Calm down, Alicia. Why do these collab videos freak me the heck out? I feel like I'm in a job interview or something. Now you know how I am when I'm in a job interview. I'm not good. I hyperventilate. I sweat. I rock back and forth. I don't know. I just don't. I don't like it. Merlin, I love you so much, baby. Please don't knock the camera over. Okay. Ah. Got this at Bath and Body Works. It is to hold your hand sanitizer. How adorable is that? Got your little, oh dear. I'm not nervous at all. You stop it. Okay, but yeah, had to have it. Absolutely love it. And it was $6.95. That is ridiculous. And they really need to, come on. That's pretty pricey for something that holds a $2 hand sanitizer. But, well, I paid it, so they know that people are going to pay it. So that's why they do it, right? Hydrate, liquids. This is water. I wish it was something else. Maybe I'd calm down. But no, it's just water. Speaking of, I also got this at Five Below. My little stand. It was also $5. Don't fall over now, because I had you in there nice and good, and you were behaving. Oh bother. Now we've somehow found a hole. Okay. let's go on a Target run. Who wants to go? Get in, put your seatbelt on, because in this vehicle, we wear our seatbelts. Oh, I cannot even deal with how weird I'm being. Okay. Well, okay. Scratch. This is not all from Target. I'm beginning to wonder if I forgot something from Target that I was going to show. I didn't know. I forgot. Oh, maybe I didn't. Okay. I didn't get much at Target. But yes, straws with your little straw toppers. And these were $5. It doesn't say that, but I remember specifically. How adorable. And I love the colors. And it comes with, not that I don't have a bazillion of them, but it comes with the straw cleaner. These little doodads are Kate Spade, and I got them for, they were on clearance, and I got them for $10.50. I feel like I need to keep getting up because you guys are really far away. You got your little strawberries, French fries, and your champagne bottles. Aren't they cute? I even like the packaging. It's just super cute. Yeah. You wore it best. That's what it says on the back. Okay, so I have an array of, I'm just gonna start, I'll tell you where they're from, because at this point things are kind of mismatched a little bit, and well, fortunately I have the tag so I can tell you where it's from. It's spring/summertime. I need gloves. These are from Ross, and it was a 2-pack, but only I stole a pack already. And I've already posted that video of us planting some flowers, but it was $4.99 for 2 pairs, and they're great. They did have different sizes, and it says on the front, "Woman's work, strong women, building a gentle world." I like that. That's cool. Heck yeah. But they're a great fit. I like, you know, I usually would go in and use my husband's, and then I can't really actually get anything done because they're 50 sizes too big. But these actually fit great. Okey-dokey. This one, this is also from Ross. $11.99. And now I've just realized that I got 2 towels, but they're completely different and they're from different places, so it's okay, right? It's 6 feet long. If you didn't know, I'm 5'11". Yeah, I'm one of those big girls. So I am very happy that it is 6 feet long, and there's a better view of the print. Super cute, super soft, super, super, super. I love the colors. what? Casafina. Casafina, I guess, is the brand name. It says Casafina Beach Collection. But if you have a Ross, and if you do not, I am so sorry. That's very upsetting. I wish you had a Ross. But maybe you have stores that I don't, that I would wish that I had. But yeah, love it. I would probably use it as a thumbnail, but I don't need to use it as a thumbnail because our gorgeous and amazingly sweet host, and no, I am not sucking up. No, I am not. Well, I mean, why would I do that? That's not something I would do. I don't suck up. No. Anyways, host. Okay, that was rude. The video stopped on me and told me that I didn't have enough storage space. So I had to go in and make some more, delete some stuff and make some more room. Anyways, I hate it when stuff like that happens because then I have to like retrack. Okay, what was I doing? Showed you that stuff. Showed you my towel. Now, I got this outfit from, this one was from Burlington, and it was $16.99. So I'm gonna pull it apart just so it's easier to show. So here are the bottoms, and it's kind of, would this be considered like a, is this a culotte type of pant, or am I just crazy and making my own thing up? It says Bella Vista, and then on another video, you guys, my naughty villagers, and if you would love to be a naughty villager, well, just stay tuned and you will be. But you have to be publicly subscribed because, well, you know, no offense, but like, if you're publicly subscribed, that just tells me that you're down with me, you know, you're a ride or die and you're here to stay. And plus, when I do giveaways, which stay tuned, because at some point I may be announcing a giveaway in this video. Not all channels, I don't know if all the channels are doing it. I do know that Trisha is doing it, so make sure you go over and, well, check out everyone's video, of course. Because, I mean, it's summer stuff, it's fun, and if you guys are like me, and I'm assuming that you are at least to a certain extent because you are watching a haul type video, well, you know, you would want to go watch everyone else because they're doing hauls and it's all summer stuff and it's just fun to watch. It's fun to see what everyone picked out. Now these are, I feel like you can wear this for whatever you want, whether it's to cover up a bathing suit or, you know, if you're wearing another shirt or short little, if you've got the body for it, short little, you know, I don't know, bra, tank top, whatever suits your fancy. But this is the top. And yeah, I said all that to say that this is the top. Very short, but you just tie it in the front here. It's very hard. That's why I'm gonna have to try it on, because on another video, is because it's hard for me to kind of show certain clothing items without trying it on. So come back and see that video so you can see how it looks on in case you want it. If you have a Burlington coat factory in your neck of the woods. Okay, let's sit back and get a little comfortable. And let's take another drink. Mom, I can see that you just text me. I'll text you back, don't worry. So speaking of swimsuit covers, well, this is for my husband's eyes only. Only. I will not be trying this on. But, yes, with a good tan, this little bikini, so cute. The colors, they speak to me. Yes, I needed them so bad. There's the back. But yeah, this is the bikini that told me, girl, you need to get a boob job. Yeah, this is from Temu, and it was like, I want to say between $10 and $13. Hold on, my family wants to know if I'm gonna make dinner. You can make your own dinner, man. Interruption 7,238. Okay, let's see if we can finish this video and not show all the family. Milk drinkers. They're no longer milk drinkers, but that's just what I call them. Okay. Done that, did that. I mean, is this really like, first of all, I don't really feel like any of my theme that I chose was barbecue themed, which I kind of feel like, wait a minute, did I do this wrong? Was I, that's rude, sir. Can you pipe it down? Was I supposed to do like barbecue utensils? I don't know. But this looks summery to me. And it's Betsy Johnson. And you get 4 in the pack. And the pack was $4.99. Look how cute. This is from, what did I say? Did I already say? It's TJ Maxx. And you need one. So cute. I love bling. Yes I do. Okay, there's 120 wipes. So what is that? There's probably, okay, we're not doing math. Liz over at Hello My Friends. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know if I'm supposed to, talk about other channels that don't involve this collab, but I'm so sorry if I messed up on that. But anyways, Liz, girl, she's the smart one in our little YouTube friend love each other group. She would know. Like that, she would know. And I am kind of a ditzy, not smart one. I hope for whatever reason that's going off, that everybody is okay. Because I always freak out a little bit inside. I count my children. Are they all home? Yes, my grown children still live at home. Don't a lot of, well, okay. Next. This dress. I got this dress off of Temu. I got this from Temu. However, so do you guys ever, if you have the Walmart app, have you ever shopped off of the Walmart app? Well, I do sometimes. And I was looking for summer dresses. And hello, this was like $10. Is this not like literally the matching version of mine, except for in a different color? And the flowers on this one? Okay, it's mostly like leaves. Oh, there's flowers. Wait. It's just leaves. But they are literally the exact same. See my pockets here? Same wide, which I like this. I like how wide. Literally the same dress, except for that Temu, even, you know, especially if it's through local warehouse right now, you're paying the $2.99 shipping. I didn't pay any shipping with these through the Walmart app. Now these ones took, let's see, I want to say they took 5 or 6 days to arrive, but that is still faster than Temu. But yeah, I really like these. They're super comfortable. The perfect, you don't have to think about it. The only thing you're really thinking about is, what jewelry do I want to wear with it? What shoes do I want to wear with it? And that's about the size of that. These are 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So you got good stretch. But yeah, it's, you know, nice and cool for summertime. Like I said, nice wide straps so that you can wear a normal bra with them. This says Fantas look. So anyway, so if you want to go on the Walmart app, I mean, I can try and link the things that I purchased. Now obviously, like, there's gonna be, like, the Walmart items, I'm sure I can link. Everything else though, I don't think that's possible. But if anyone is interested in the Walmart items that I show, let me know, and I can definitely look up the link and send it to you. I literally have, so there's just 2 stray cats that are like mine, that have been with me since they were babies. But as we speak, I'm looking over at the food bowl, and there is a cat that I don't know where he came from, but he's hungry, so he's welcome to eat. They all know, if you're hungry, go to Alicia's house. Hey, psst, psst, tell the raccoons too, so they can come over and eat, because they do. This isn't the first time I've ever seen it, but yeah, a huge old raccoon. I was like sitting in my living room one night, and I'm like, okay, I can hear a noise that sounds much louder than just a cat eating. And I looked outside, big old raccoon, but I just figured, well, he needs to eat too. And I think something bit me because my leg is feeling awfully itchy now. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking because I still have to go inside and cook dinner. Yeah, that's why I had to stop. Did I tell you guys? I had to stop because all of the grown people that live in my house want to know what's for dinner. Huh. Cook yourself. I got this at TJ Maxx. It's so cute. And it was 99 cents. these little bags are super handy to have in your car. If you want to, you know, just put like some, wow, okay, so apparently, you know, because I live over here in Utah where we do things about, oh, I don't know, last in the world, which I guess to a certain extent I shouldn't complain about, but I've heard others say that that there are no, like they don't have grocery bags. You have to bring in your own bags, or they charge you for the bag. But here in Utah, they don't. That's not a thing. I'm sure it will become a thing. And so I'm gonna be prepared. My mom gave me a bunch of bags and I've started to collect some bags. But that's completely adorable and probably the most barbecue-ish thing that I got. So, Trisha, I hope that's okay. I hope. Okay, I've got 2 more things to show you. Well, if you're wearing these cute summer dresses, now, you know, the ones I have on right now, they probably don't really match, but this is another Walmart purchase. The brand is Nordy. Okay, so it's thenordybrand.com. And what I'm saying is, I apologize that I don't have a mic on. Why don't I have a mic on? I took it to the cabin. And then when I unpacked, I have no idea where I put it. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know. I probably stuck it somewhere to be safe and I lost it. Okay. This color, isn't that so cute and fun? I love it. And I like these types of thong sandals that the material, how it's like this. I don't like the one where it's like cheap and I don't even know what, you know, the little plastic piece in the middle that's like super uncomfortable. Let's count. Okay, you know how Erin does the whole take a shot if, you know, when I say I lost my nail, or, you know, she does her thing. Well, if you guys had to take a shot for every time I said like, you'd be rich, you'd be intoxicated, all the things. Yes, there is, if you want to take a screenshot, if you're interested in these. But I did get them off of the Walmart app. So I don't know if you're able to look them up that way. But if you're interested, let me know and I will find the link for these. But yeah, super fun color for summer. Summer, like anytime you want to wear them. Hey, maybe you live in a place that it's a weather where you can wear flip-flops all year long. Okay, do you call them flip-flops or do you call them thongs? I call them flip-flops because to me a thong is the underwear that my husband tries to get me to wear, and I say, no, you first. Exactly. You first, sir. Okay, here's my other towel. But this is not just an average towel. First of all, it's from Costco. Second of all, this is a jumbo size for 2 people. Okay, so you have your carrying handle, which just buttons. Very nice and convenient to have this. This is perfect for the beach, the lake, the pool, all the things. Let's get up again. Okay, every time I get up though, I am trying to tell myself, because I have a tendency to not use my stomach muscles when I'm, you know, bending down, getting up. And so I'm trying to remind myself, use your stomach muscles. So this is like a mini workout, since once again, Alicia did not go to the gym with her husband and Mackenzie. Mackenzie is my daughter, if you're new and you don't know. She's 25. She lives at home with me. She's in school full time and works full time. So oh, there's no way I can't show you guys how big. Let me just tell you that it is, let's see, hold on. All right, I'm gonna look at the tag and see if it says the length. No, it doesn't. Does the other tag say? Oh yes, this is probably gonna say. Okay, it is 72 inches by 84 inches. So I am 5'11", and it's probably, if I had to assume, that's probably what, like 8 feet by, is 84 like 8 feet? I'm seriously so dumb. I don't know. I didn't do well in school. Yeah, I don't know. It's really big. Okay, you guys, that is it. And I want to thank you guys so much, so huge, so big. All of my naughty villagers for joining me, and if you are new and you come over from another channel, welcome. And because over here at Naughty by Nature, this is not my channel, this is our channel, and so we do things as a group, we do it together, and they back me up and they are amazing. And I wish that everybody could know such amazing people. So if you come over here and you stay, then you'll know them too. I love it when my friends in the comments like are friendly with each other too. That's super amazing. But yeah, hopefully, you know, you'll enjoy it. I'm not always so well, okay, whatever. I am weird, but I'm not always so nervous. In general, I'm pretty like, it is what it is. I'm not really a nervous person all the time, but okay, once again, that is something I do when I'm nervous. I just, you know, like vomit out of the mouth kind of thing. It's like, I feel like I just ripped off a wig or something, you know, I'm just like, oh, let it all down. Can you hear the neighbor? Okay, Alicia, close it up. I love you guys. I love you so much. And I will see you super soon. I hope that everybody enjoyed the video and that maybe you found some things that you're going to be on the hunt for, because I must say that I think I showed some pretty cool things. So, and I'm super excited to watch everyone else's videos to see what all they got. But yeah, I will see you guys super soon, so be on the lookout for my next video, and I will see everyone super soon. Peace out, Girl Scout.